Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. Now, you can press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu, and in this menu you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Now, find the watch face you like to use, and then tap on it to select it and apply it on your watch, like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces. Some of the watch faces, as you can see, have the edit button under them, and you can tap on it. And this allows you to, for example, change the color of the clock. Then you can swipe left and change the type of the dash. Then you can swipe left, change the date, or the maybe type of information displayed on the watch face, as you can see. And then you can swipe left and change the widget, for example, like that. And then you can swipe left again, and you can enable or disable the seconds. And once you're done customizing your watch face, you can press the crown button to apply the changes, like this. You can also open the list of watch faces, and you can scroll all the way to the right, and you should see the Add New button. You can tap on it and basically add new watch face. You can select the type, for example, Vista, and then you can see that it's gonna appear right here on the list, and you can tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. Okay, you can also change the watch face through the settings. So if you swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, tap on the settings icon, then scroll down, tap on display, and here select change watch face. It will open the watch face menu, and you can select the watch face you like by tapping on it. And one last method of changing the watch face is to do it via the phone application. So we're gonna zoom out this camera so we can see the whole screen of our phone. Something like this. Okay, move this to the side, wake up the screen on our phone, close the app, and go back to the home page. Okay, so if you have the phone that is paired with your watch, you can open the Watch Galaxy Pixel Watch application. Not Galaxy, what I'm saying. Google Pixel Watch application on the phone. And once you open the application, you should see the device page for your watch. You can tap on the watch faces, and here you can scroll through the list by swiping left and right, and then you can tap on the Use on Watch to apply it on your watch. You can also add new watch faces by tapping on Add New, selecting the watch face, and then you can customize it like that. You can change the widget, color, the style. You can enable or disable the seconds, and once you're done customizing it, you can tap on Add, and then you can tap on View, and it's gonna appear right here on the list, and you can tap on Use on Watch to apply it. You can also remove the watch faces. I forgot to mention that. You can tap on Edit button right here. It will open the list of watch faces, and you can tap on the pen icon next to one to remove it. And you can another thing you can do is to change the order of the watch faces on the list. So for example, let's say I want dial this one to be at the top of the list. We can press and hold on the sorting button next to it and drag it all the way to the top, like this, and then we can go back, and these should be on the first spot rather on the list. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.